Humble Harrison, issue. The still behind Bars Human Rights Foundation. I'm based in Sabah, Delta State. Don't know when you make come help somebody go by India for treatment, medical treatment. We below the process. Boga Lagos, medical papers here for visa. So at the stage of visa, the man at home go in near the money. Near the ego na only give me a visa. Say na the process, but I want you to many give the visa as sponsors, as the donor. Goes away instructor. Mana the other person, but can't see also not out of the money. So I won't see any option than people do know where na na this man to Diego, Matoloka, Anua Menia Vita. So that was all the things we got. So Olusi one Saturday morning and wait for a video, a live video, Omebo Kensilogy. When I accuse him na Nanji Diego ya. Nanji we deprive na India for surgery or treatment. So video got viral everywhere. You know the man not na phone nothing couple came in will go mad. Will you know? No man not before the mother. Makani only kuna no audio money, no only go the boy donate. But this man when this boy Kensilogy 1.5 million. So we Japan Lagos, we from na phone boom ya mandio ya. From na phone na because na omego mistake. I can see we solve this thing. See, I'm no problem. Na Lagos. So no Lagos, little Lagos. Umitie umunne ya makan mandi niya about 8 of them. So we go back my own stand, my own kamuna onya siwega. No bolo ifoku na social media ife meme. So okay, and that's no problem now. They don't know any go stop now. Can you let me go this boy the money until I accept to our procedure to take him to process everything for him and take him to India. So we never so we what do no come on India so we got also okay now. Let the Kensilogy follow up our process by allowing us finish up the process by getting visa for him, tickets for him to travel abroad. So that was all. So na no game make video. Ko wando wa na ne kaina Harrison siwega. So I make a video on social media again. Now he was apologizing to the man in Diego, where apologized what to me, you know. But now, although detailed enough, he was not detailed enough because people already have a mindset that now Diego this boy, now the fraud yeah. So he was up say we do one na they go see me. The reason she wait to do the money. So you may go this boy. So on my own, we waited. Come a rejoinder, the video a rejoinder, then allow us start the process. So which he did not the process. So and my own people are like going where people are going name before them somebody. So man, on my own I was advised to also reach out to Dono to seek that this money should be refunded to him. Before we were now, because nobody told I need this boy Diego. Because come, let me just let me just hand over the money and let me have my own peace. So that is it. Then this Kensilogy, please reach out to the Dono and talk to him. And we don't know discuss. You know, he was Dono here. He should go and apologize to people who were offended, like people like us who were offended because of who tried to help him. But can always go to exchange airways with the donor. So that was it. I don't know what happened between him and the donor. So I now got a call that the money should be transferred back. The lawyer called me, and which I did, and I calculated the money. We're going in spend. It goes calculate about 50,000 or thereabouts. We go spend it. We calculate here everything, then hand it over, send it back to the donor.
Here you don't win Kahamere. Has him okay now with the passport? I'm not with the visa. Now with the visa, Kahawe, Diego. Mbapambo with the visa. I have to go and do video on air. One day, Madam Harrison, baseball mother, and Kankajimenka. Nam mayors will send the money. He said, we send the money, send the money, come poor, and get some poor. I am about the problem. Now, at the time, you come online and tell people that Harrison and Abraham mother. He said, we've been Harrison by John mother. No, Diego meant for my treatment. No way also. Now, and they will go for some made the video. Yabaram forever. You know, it's because someone here. I told me grant any service to anybody because now I'm a carrier, so not a member video. Now, a man ago, after come with a visa, visa, Nakaketa. We were to visa send the area 2 days, 3 days. He didn't talk to me. Yesterday, I see him that I should send my account number and send account number. I was not sending me down yesterday. So I will not to go below the question that I have to do a video to tell the world that I have received the money that can't be that I have to go and do video that that I have received the money, that I have Harrison be a good person. I said, okay, no problem, I will say it. But send the money to me. He said I should get out. Now, my and Harrison. They have already concurred to take the money back. I take your back, I take your back. But they have said that they are not helping me again. That is it. Also, I'm not India. Now, visa. I got the visa by my own power and everything. Now, I delete any post on Facebook. The delete their own. At the end of everything, when you have post on Facebook over. When you over, I'm not knowing how to target them. Okay, a better would do has in a carry where now they make conference call so that on Monday they send them the money. Now Monday, they did not talk to me. Tuesday, embassy now, I had to go. I said, someone when you with the or some with the visa. No one with the visa. Now they send the money. What the visa? Send the warrior 2 days, 3 days, or more, send that number, send that number. Not to go very good. I watch him sim now, and I send the Diego. Now I'm video. One day, mother, Niabo is boom mother. Now I'm going to get you. Now go get you. I got say, and I can't. Now go get you. When I have baseball mother. You can't chairman. I will say everything you want me to say. Mana, first and foremost, you go when the money. I can't go everyone with a go visa. Also get out. Now they follow instruction. You say, you go when back. I'm a BDC, but I can't apart from that, I don't want to say anything again.